Hi, I'm Jeremiah Steele.
My name is Cable O'Hara. I'm a junior here at Menlo College.
I'm a third-year junior. I am currently majoring in finance.
I'm a finance major, and we interned at Silicon Valley Advantage.
Working with Silicon Valley Advantage, I have been working with one of their clients. We're going through their angel investors and corporate investors right now, and we're just trying to find some money and get their company started.
We're working with a VC firm. It's basically really hands-on, so they grow those companies up from the ground. I'm probably going to be cold calling a lot of the companies to get more clients, but we're just pretty much hands-on with a lot of these younger companies, getting them to grow.
Prior to Career Connect Day, I worked on my resume with Career Services. Then moving forward, I started working on my own business card. And after that, we had a game plan going into Career Connect Day, meeting with a few companies that I was very interested in.
But once we went through all the panels, lunch, and the actual career fair, and from then on it was just game on of trying to get your face out there, trying to put out, your best performance of trying to get a job. Think of something that stands out. If it's like wearing a different colored tie, if it's like tying it a certain way. That and just being prepared with like your business cards, your resumes, get those all dialed in. And then at the end of it, just go for it. I mean, everyone's in the same position. Everyone's trying to get a job, stand out.
My best advice going into finding your internship or job is to be very confident in yourself, know what you have, and just put your best foot forward.